Frenemies. With friends like these, who need enemies? Who need enemies? With friends like these, them are frenemies. With friends like these, who need enemies? Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, boy. This whole Brigadeir Jerry thing, yeah. Let me tell you, I, SouFLoTV, tell my audience every chance I get, be very careful of the people you surround yourself with. If you watch my morning thoughts, especially when I say, it's the freaking weekend, baby, I always tell the people, yo, people who work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 and them thing that, when the weekend come, you want to let loose, make sure you surround yourself with people that are high vibrational people that are not going to get you into something you can't get yourself back out of. Now, this whole Brigadeir Jerry thing, I'm taking a look right now as I speak to you at the Gleaner, and this article, I don't know if it's getting me upset more than anything else. To see someone so legendary, so accomplished, right? And the man aging with grace and into legendary status. We're talking about Brigadeir Jerry because that cannot be denied, right? The man come and put in him work in our music, in the genre, and stuck around. And look at how it's all going down now. So his wife has a story to tell. His wife has a different story to tell. So the article says that the Jamaica dancehall entertainer Brigadeir Jerry has been slapped with a battery of gun-related charges in the United States of America, which we know about already. But the incident may have been triggered by a prank gone wrong, his wife has said. First of all, I'm going to say this. What kind of prank could you be running? Was the people around him children? The 62-year-old singer, whose real name is Robert Russell, has been charged with illegal possession of a firearm, first-degree robbery, first-degree reckless endangerment, carrying a pistol with a permit, illegal transfer of a pistol, and altering a serial number on a firearm. Let me walk you through these charges real quick. I know we're going to have a lot of internet lawyers, people were roadside lawyers, just like Shade Tree Mechanic, the guy will fix your car underneath the mango tree, but he never go school for fixing car. And sometimes something so complicated in the car engine giving problems, he can't really fix those, but he's gonna go in there and frig it up more than anything else. So I better you just pay the extra money, carry it, go on a real mechanic and get it fixed the right way. So we're gonna have a whole lot of Shade Tree Mechanics, aka roadside lawyers here, who's gonna tell you, well, the SouFlo, if him get a good lawyer, him can get this drop and that drop, and them can't pin him with no gun charge cause them never find gun on him and all this. People, are you considering the fact that they are taking witness statements and more than one witness has corroborated the same doggone story, which probably lines up with some kind of surveillance camera inside or outside of the establishment? You understand? So anyways, now, all these charges the man has been hit with. Illegal discharge of a firearm. Okay. Him fired a weapon inside of a building. There were people in there. People could have been hurt. You understand why that charge came about. First degree robbery. That's the part that gets me. But when he took up all that money off the table and the money was not his, in the process of waving a gun, that is called robbery. You understand? First degree reckless endangerment. Again, you're firing off this weapon in a public space, recklessly endangering the lives of people. Bullet could have flew through the glass and back outside and hit somebody in a car that was sitting out there somewhere. Didn't even have to hit somebody inside. Carrying a pistol without a permit. That is self-explanatory. If you're not registered with the government to have that pistol in your possession, then you're carrying that pistol without a permit. Illegal transfer of a pistol. I don't know of how he got the pistol around, maybe. Illegal transfer of a pistol and altering a serial number. As we know how the story goes, the serial number was filed off of the pistol that they are saying he used in this thing, which they found not on his person, but at the other side of the building where they searched when they arrested him. So Brigadeir Jerry has been held on $250,000 US bond stemming from that incident. This whole thing now, according to his wife, who she has requested that nobody reveal her identity at this point because she fears that her job may be jeopardized because of association with this incident. You know what I'm saying? Some people working at some highty-tighty place are around some other people that are very, you know, funny kind of people. So if they find, oh, that's your husband, and they're not going to say, oh, one shot was fired, or it was Marcia's husband that shoot up the Jamaican restaurant down the street, or we've got to disassociate ourselves from her. You don't know if she works in a law firm as a secretary, or I don't know what her job is, but somehow she believes that this could put her job in jeopardy, and she just don't want to be revealed her identity. But she told her story anyways. She said that it had been several months since the entertainer had visited Bertie's West Indian and American restaurant in Waterbury, Connecticut. It had been months because he wasn't going down there. He hasn't been down there in such a long time, several months, she said, but he decided to go and hang out with his friends since he has been in the house for so long. I was told that what triggered everything is that they, his friends, took his wallet and hid it. And he had a lot of money inside of his wallet. And when he was asking for it, where's my wallet, where's my wallet, they're all laughing. And that aggravated the situation even more. Now, if I have a whole lot of money in my wallet, right, and I came to visit you and my wallet goes missing and I'm asking for my wallet and you're laughing, I would become angry. Especially as a grown man. We're not teenagers. We're not even young people. I'm not like we're in our early 20s or nothing. We're not teenagers. We're not running no prank. Especially no prank with my wallet. People don't usually carry just money in their wallet, you know. People carry their major credit cards, their debit card, access to their bank account. People carry all kinds of stuff. Some people even carry social security number, even carry a little stub that gives your bank account number, checking account number, routing number. These kinds of things are inside of a wallet. So when a man lose his wallet and a man start look around frantically for his wallet, not to mention my ID, which has my home address on it, because me and you hang out at Bertie's don't mean you know where I rest my head. But if you have my wallet with my ID in it, you're going to be able to see, okay, he stay at 3417 Waterbrook Crescent. And that's where him live. Oh, next thing you know, people start drive by every day. Oh, that's the Brigadeir Jerry living now. Oh, but that's the SouFLoTV house right there, so. And then next thing you know, people start parking. You don't know who you are, a public figure. You got to keep some level of privacy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm drawing out a million reasons why I would be angered if this was me. So, if these are my friends, if these were his friends, and they realize that, okay, his anger is escalating, take it to a certain point then, if it's a prank, and then come out and give the wallet. Why did they allow him to actually leave the facility having his wallet before stopping him and say, all right, hey, General, look, it's a prank, see your wallet here. That's what should have went on. They allowed him to leave the facility. I don't think they were trying to run no prank. I think what they were trying to do is they were trying to steal from him. They were trying to steal the money that was in his wallet and probably pull out his wallet and flash the wallet. How else would they have gotten it? And they look, people watch you when you don't think they're watching, and them say, blow a whole heap of money in that. And you know some man love to like show off, yo, me have about $20-$100 bill in there, so you know. And them I think, if me catch the wallet there, see, a $2,000 that right away for me, you know. $2,000 US right now can pay off a bill and do and this and that. So, friends like those, who needs enemies, man? She said that I wasn't there, but I suppose that he was saying, she's speaking of her husband, I suppose he was saying that when we get back my wallet, we get back on the money. His wife of 35 years said that she was told that her husband stormed out of the facility and returned and scooped up all the money that was on the table where he and his friends had been playing card games. She said, I wasn't there, but I am supposing that when him scoop up the money, what he was saying was, when you give me my wallet, me give you the back on the money. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. So now, to be charged with first-degree robbery because he scooped up that money, obviously it's the same people that was at the table that told in that police report. Because how would the police have known that him scoop up all the money? And I bet they didn't tell the police that we were only running a prank on him and we actually took his wallet. Them people are wicked. Set up the money up. Set him up. And I'm mad at Brigadeir Jerry for actually making them dunce-head people here dry him out too. People, sometimes, you know, it's best for you to just stay inside of your house. Even when you get lonely in there, find something to do. Entertain yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because, boy, nowadays company ain't really good company. You know what I'm saying? Russell appeared in court at a court hearing on Tuesday. His wife said that she has not seen him since. I went to go look for him today, you know, but there's a whole lot of paperwork to be filled out in the process, and there's a process to follow. And this process will take about 2 weeks, she said. The family has retained a lawyer, and they're seeking to come up with the required 10% of the bail bond money. The bond money is $250,000. 10% of $250,000. You already know what that is for all you mathematicians. For those of you who are not mathematician, just press the microphone part on Google and say, Google, what is 10% of $250,000? And you will have the answer right there. I want to especially thank those persons who have called to offer their assistance, she said, and their words of comfort, although I have told them to hold off for now. But enough respect and thanks, same way. So she's letting us know that people have called, because people been talking, and Jamaican people are saying, yo, Super Cat, yo, so-and-so, yo, calling out all the names of the dancehall fraternity, on a general that, you know. So now it's time to show and prove. Now it's time to step up, dig in your pocket, come together with the money. Where's the GoFundMe? Get some money together to get this man bond, to get him out, because he can fight that case better from outside of a jail cell than he can from inside of a jail cell. She didn't say directly who it is that has been calling, offering their assistance, that she's told to hold off for now. And I guess she don't want to just take people money just so. She want to find out exactly what's this going to be about. The lawyer going to sit down with them, run through their strategy, tell her how much it's going to cost, and then she can go from there and say, yes, would you be, them say, 100 grand, you know, and him gonna say, yeah, well, me can contribute a little 10 thing, you know, and somebody else said 10, me just say Bujo be because Bujo is famous, but me never say Bujo Bantan call the woman because me know someone wanna stay already. Not true. Alright. She said that, the representative said that he would not speak about the incident because it was the subject of a police investigation. When contacted yesterday, a management representative at Bertie's, the restaurant, who did not disclose his name, told the Gleaner that they had not been in any fallout with any of their customers so far at the moment. So there was a big story out where people were following up saying, the people them can lose them restaurant, you know. Them are gonna lose them business, because honestly, if I hear there was a recent shooting at a restaurant, I'm not gonna go in there, go sit down and eat food, right? If I hear, when I used to go clubs all the time, if people tell me, yo, Club Vegas, that shit always getting shot up. That club is always getting shot up. I make sure, skirps, and go find one next club for go, because I didn't want to be in there while it was getting shot up. So it was this kind of a reputation that people outside were trying to say could affect the restaurant. According to the Gleaner, they called, and the spokesperson, who refused to be identified, just told them basically that they're not going to say too much on the matter because it is an ongoing investigation by police, but they're going to say that they haven't had any falling outs with any of their customers. You know what I'm saying? So that's where it's at now. Brigadeir Jerry, if y'all don't know, is known for his work with Daddy U-Roy's King Sturgov Hi-Fi sound system, which was based in Kingston, alongside Josie Wales and Charlie Chaplin, legendary and legendary. Among his popular singles are Three Blind Mice, Ram Dance Master, and Jamaica, Jamaica. He is also the brother of another dancehall icon, Sister Nancy. All right, we're gonna leave it right there, people. It's SouFLoTV. Leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me, do you think I am right when I said, with friends like these who need enemies? And do you believe that had they not taken this man's wallet and hid it and then let this go too far and now they're claiming that it was a prank, if they had not done this, do you think that this situation would have turned out like this? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Keep a cool head. You hear me? It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.